a very happy day. Hope you are all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. My dear children, can you see so colorful mind map on the screen? Yes, it is completely the lesson of Revolt of 1857. Children, in the last class we have seen about the growing unrest. So what all happened before this revolt of 1857, and we have seen the causes also. Okay, and in today's class, let us zoom into the events and the effects. Okay, children, let me zoom it up. Yes. In the events, let me explain the first point. Indian soldier hanged 29th March 1857, attacking officers. I hope so you will be understanding. Children, who was the Indian soldier who was hanged on 29th March 1857? It is none other than Mangal Pandey. He was the soldier, Indian soldier. He was against the rules and policies that was attained by the British officers, and he started attacking them. So he was hanged on 29th March 1857. Okay, children, this was one of the great event. And second one, you could see regiment at Meerut soldiers refused to use greased cartridges. 85 soldiers dismissed. What do you mean by cartridges? Children, you all know that there was an Enfield rifle which will be greased with the fat of pig as well as the cow. So, which disturbs the Indian culture and traditional sentiments. So, Indian soldiers, they refused to use this. Refused means they were not ready to use the greased cartridges. So, for not using, actually the British, no, they have dismissed 85 Indian soldiers. Dismissed means they have taken out of the job. Okay, Kanna. And the third point you could see here, attacked British officers May 10th. Indian soldiers walked to jail and released prisoners. Children, we already have seen in the courses, there are many prisoners, that is Indian prisoners, they were thrown to the jail in Delhi. Yes or no, Kanna? What happened is, why they were thrown? Because they have attacked the British officers. Okay. So what happened? Few Indian soldiers, no, they walked to the jail when this event happened on May 10th. Okay. And they released some prisoners. And march to Delhi, Bahadur Shah Jafar. Do you know who is Bahadur Shah Jafar? He is the last Mughal emperor. Okay. In order to climb under his control, Indian soldiers, they marched from Meerut to Delhi. Okay. And some other kings and queens who supported the Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar was Nana Sahib Tachia Top from Kanpur, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Begum Hazrat. So they supported Indian soldiers and they were a great pillar of Mughal emperors. Okay, my dear children. So these are the events that took place because of the revolt of 1857. And next we are going to look into the effects. What are the effects? Let us zoom in. Bahadur Shah Zafar captured British, regained all territories, killed leaders. Children, these are some code words. You have to create a small story from it. What happened is the last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Jafar, was captured. He came under the control of British. Okay. So what the British people they did, the British rule regained all territories. So all the Indian territories were under the control of the British. And they started killing many Indian leaders. Okay, Kanna. And the next point, India under direct control of British. So India came under the direct control of the British. Okay, and Empress of India was Queen Victoria, and the first viceroy was Lord Canning. So they were appointed under the control of British rule. Who was the first Empress of India? Queen Victoria. First viceroy, Lord Canning. Okay, children. And the British crown in India. Actually, what happened is the British, they have started capturing India under their control. Children, I hope so you have understood the events and effects of Revolt of 1857. Okay, in the next class, let us look into the chapter-wise test. I hope so. This is a recap of the lesson, and I hope you will be doing your best in your chapter-wise test. All the best. Do well. Thank you.